How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses not connecting to your devices. Now, this can relate to a lot of problems, but mainly you are having problems with the connection itself. So sometimes it could be firmware, and in order to fix this, we just have to factory reset our device. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. This will get rid of issues regarding our Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So the first thing that you want to do is to just fold the right arm of your glasses, which will look something like this. And of course, we will have this LED light as an indicator. You just have to make sure that your glasses is simply turned on, but also in some other models out there, you want to make sure that both arms are folded together. But the first thing that you want to do is to try this first method first. So after folding the right arm, you want to press the capture button rapidly for 5 times, and it will simply make this white light indicator orange. Now this is going to be solid orange, indicating that we are now ready to factory reset our device. So you can confirm the factory reset by now holding the capture button for at least 5 seconds. And then the LED light right here will blink for at least 30 seconds. And then after that, your device will be resetted to the factory settings. And so that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.